Hello, sir. My name is Tara Edward, and today I'm with.
Kristalin.
So today we are going to compare our daily activities during the weekdays until weekend. So starting off with our weekday activities. So me personally, in weekdays, I usually sleep for about 6 hours. What about you, Alin?
Sleeping 7 hours.
7 hours. So at what time do you take your sleep?
Usually 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock and woke up in
Woke up in 7,
7.
7 a.m.
So because we're in the same class, we have two different times during our Monday to Friday, especially in Monday. For example, we have 8 o'clock class. So when do you wake up for an 8 a.m. class?
I think wake up in 8 a.m. class.
Yes. So you wake up at what time?
7 a.m.
7. So if we have 11 p.m. class, at what time do you wake up?
7.
Also same, 7.
Same.
Okay. So next is our free time. So in Monday to Friday, I have about 7 hour free time. In that free time, I use it for watching Netflix or YouTube and scrolling social media to get away from my stress from academic. So what about you, Alin?
Usually I swim and watching a movie and eat time for 3 hours.
So do you swim twice a week, once a week? How many times?
1-2 times a week.
1-2 times. So next, I eat for in a day. I eat for about 1.5 hours. That's between breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So breakfast I took about 30 minutes, lunch 30 minutes, and dinner also 30 minutes. For you,
Uh,
how long do you take your breakfast, lunch, and dinner?
Usually 1 hour. 1 hour.
Each, 1 hour each.
Yeah.
Okay. So next is, of course, we are students, right? And we also in the same class. So I think on the studying time, it's not very different. It's for me, it's 6 hours, and I think Alin is also
4 hours. 4 hours.
4.
Yes.
So do you do you also study at home after campus?
If
After class?
have asynchronous class.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Same.
Yes.
Pretty much the same. So last I also do some exercise because I joined UKM badminton in women. That took about 3.5 hours. I do that once a week. Same as Alin thing. She also swims every once to twice a week. So we have same exercise activities during the weekdays. Now we're moving on to our weekend activities. So since during the weekend we have no class, so it's gonna be different. Also our sleep time especially is gonna be different also. So in weekend I took about 8 hours sleep. What about you, Olin?
6 hours sleep.
6 hours. So do you stay up very late during the weekend?
Yes.
At what time do you usually like to stay up?
12.
12. Oh, it's very different. I really like to stay up until 1 a.m. until 2 a.m. and woke up at 10 to 11 p.m.
Same.
Okay, so how about do you spend your time with family at weekend?
Brother and sister. Family too.
Also same, yeah. How long?
2 hours.
2 hours. So what kind of activities do you do to spend your time with your family?
Like go to mall or having dinner.
Having dinner together. Okay, same as me. But I'm a bit more longer. I spend my time with my family for about 6 hours. The activities that I do is just simple, like Alin going to the mall. Next, how long do you take your breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Because in weekend I think we have more time with our family. So Me personally, I took longer. It's about two and a half hour for breakfast, lunch, and dinner because sometimes when we eat, we also talk lah.
Oh,
So
2-3 hours.
3 hours, pretty much the same. So, do you do any other exercise at the weekend?
No.
No,
I don't.
same as me. I also do not do any exercise at the weekend, but I go to church at Sunday. It took about one and a half hour. You any other activities that you do during the
Having
weekend?
me time 4 hours.
Me time. What kind of activities do you do during your me time?
Using skincare and mask
Skincare.
in face.
Oh, okay. So, pretty much the difference is our sleep time. I think it's a bit different, and also, so me time is just like a free time in me, because in my free time I usually same as weekdays watching Netflix, YouTube, but in every Sunday I also watch some Formula One because it came every 2 weeks. So that's my activities during the weekend. So that's all for our activities from weekdays to weekend. Thank you for listening.
Thank you.